Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into the Reserve Banking Corporation. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.rcbconlinebanking.com and hit enter. After the login page of the RCBC opens up on your screen, on the left side of your screen you'll see the login tab. On this tab you'll have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. I hope this video helped you to log into the RCBC banking app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.